Today, let's look at the top 5 altcoins on Solana that are building as we speak. These are projects that I'm very bullish on because as Donald Trump launches a meme coin on Solana, eventually people are going to want to take profit and people are going to want to put these gains into quality projects. So today we're looking at 5 quality projects on Solana. And the way we're going to do that is look at top Solana ecosystem coins. And I have a pick that was chosen by you, chosen by the community. So as you scroll down and you look at the top ecosystem plays here, look at that, Trump, one of the top coins on Solana. As people sell Trump, which I think they're likely to do, they're going to roll it into some of these other tokens. The first one we're going to be looking at is dang near top of the list, and that is going to be Render. Now, there's another reason why I'm bullish on Render. So you can see here, top Solana ecosystems, there's a new category, and that is the top made in USA coins. The reason they're making this category is Donald Trump might give tax advantages to some of these US-based cryptos. This should be very bullish for their price, and you can see Render in the top 50 for these top 50 USA coins. So Render, I'm pretty bullish on. When we go to the price action here, you can see it is down quite a bit from its all-time high. It was pretty close to $14, 13 and some change. Right now trading around $7. So we got a discount. You know, you can get the coin about half off compared to its recent previous high, which they put in with the March run up for Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin got very bullish, so did Render. And Render, I am bullish on because of other people who are bullish on, is Apple being bullish. What about Microsoft and Google? There is Apple, Microsoft, and Google backing when it comes to this token. Apple GPUs are using Render, and Microsoft and Google's cloud services are also using Render. So major partnerships with this token. Keep an eye out on this. I think this one can potentially hit $20 in 2025. All right, the next project we're looking at, token number 2, is going to be Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is a token we mentioned in our last Solana altcoin video. We put out September 16th. You can see it right there. Jupiter, 73 cents when I made this video. So when we look here, we go to the 1-year chart. September 16th was that date, which is going to be right here. 73 cents. You're able to walk away with a 2x. You're able to double your money there. But now we have peeled back. We're still a little above 73 cents. But to me, this is signaling a discount. And so I would be a Jupiter buyer at 88 cents. But wait, there is going to be major news with Jupiter. You might be able to get this a lot cheaper. There's a breaking news with Jupiter. They just tweeted this out. In fact, I have to hit refresh just to make it pop up here. They have the date for the Jupiary airdrop. And so this is going to go live imminently. It's probably live an hour or two before you watch this video. Hard to tell with the UTC timeline there. But there's probably going to be a lot of selling pressure with Jupiter because people are able to get this token for free. You go to their website. If you used it from November to November 23 to 24, you qualified for this. Connect your wallet is jupiary.jup.ag, and just make sure you don't click anything wrong. I qualified for 50 points. I'm gonna get a little bit of a allocation there. Nothing super crazy there. So Jupiter, if you're wondering, is the Uniswap of Solana. Uniswap's market cap is 8 billion, fully diluted 13. Jupiter's market cap only 1.5 billion, and arguably more popular than Uniswap many days. So very bullish on Jupiter. Next token we're going to be looking at here is a top project. When you look at DeFi Llama, that is JITO. JTO is the ticker. And JITO is something we were talking about last time as well. September 16th. Remember, that was the date of this video. You go to JITO and we look at September 16th. I think it was this dip right here. Able to get in for under $2 and then able to get an exit at $4. So you're able to 2x your money yet again. And now we got another discount. So it is up 50%, but it is also down from its all-time high recently, which was this $4 mark, all-time high forever. We zoom out here, you can see it hit $5, and it did that in early 24, like a lot of tokens pumped after Bitcoin had its huge March pump. So then we look a little bit closer, see a little bit of a discount. So keep an eye out on JITO. And it is a DeFi play. You can earn your MEV rewards, maximum extractable value. So they have all these bots, they have all these things, basically making DeFi more efficient. And then you can kind of get a little bit of the arbitrage there. We go click on Solana. and Jito is still number one. So it was number one in September when it comes to total value locked. It's number one all the way here, end of January. So strong project. Jito, very bullish on. That takes us to our next one, which is also a top 5 play here, and that's Camino. Now, when we looked at Camino was trading for a nickel when I made this video. I actually bought on the video, I actually bought some Camino tokens. Let's look at Camino. Camino, September 16th, remember, a nickel, you were able to 5x your money. You're able to get out at 25 cents, a little bit below technically here. And now we have peeled back a little above 10 cents. And so we are up a little over 2x from our call, but we are down tremendously from this 24-cent target that we hit December 15th. So right now you can get Camino on a discount as well. Now Camino, we're seeing a little bearish pressure because they are firmly not American. So it's not piggybacking off of this Trump pump. So maybe even more opportunity when it comes to Camino. And for the 5th pick, the community pick, if you will, everybody says keep an eye out on PITH, and I would agree here. Now PITH, also not piggybacking off some of these pumps that we've seen with the other Solana ecosystem plays. When you see here, September 16th, it was under 30 cents, not quite able to get a 2x. But now you're basically getting in from that September low. Very, very good price entry for PITH. And the reason I think PITH isn't pumping is PITH is the Solana equivalent of Chainlink, albeit a lot smaller. And so Chainlink getting a lot of attention. World Liberty Fi, Trump's altcoin portfolio company, they are actively buying Chainlink. And so Chainlink taking all the attention. And so now there might be even more opportunity with PITH because all the eyes are on Chainlink. PITH's price has been depreciated, but Solana has been getting more and more popular, more and more people trading on Solana. There's a lot of opportunity with PITH as well. So those are the 5 tokens I would keep an eye out. If I had to just do one more thing real quickly, I just want to give you a Solana price update here and a different Solana video. This was November 13th, 2024. So a couple months later, I ended up drawing this line. You can see it right there. And look at the price structure lately. This is this past weekend when we go the daily here, maybe a little bit more, came down and tested that beautifully. We are just starting to shoot above in November. So keep an eye out on this price structure. And sure enough, we came back down and wicked to it almost perfectly. Wicked to it down to just a couple bucks there, and then started bouncing strong. So keep an eye out on this price structure because this is a little bit of a bull flag pennant here. I like what I'm seeing, pretty bullish. If we were to, just do a little price prediction here, we'd clone this flagpole, measure it from this retest / breakout, move it up just a hair more. We still got room to go, folks. We still got room, a potential $356 Solana in the near term. I don't even think this would be the top for the cycle. I think this would just be maybe the March, April top, and then maybe put in a higher leg, September, October, maybe Q3, maybe Q4. So that's all I got. Those are the 5 projects I'm paying attention to. This is Solana price structure I'm paying attention to. And folks, hopefully I'll see you and your alt bags with Solana at the top.